Hey Master Chefs, the time has come for our home cooking challenge. We want to keep it fun and easy to participate. The rules are simple. To earn points, you simply take a photo of your home cooked creation for 1 point, or take a video of yourself cooking in the kitchen for 2 points. You can earn up to 3 points a day, photo and video, and that's it. Again, we want to keep this casual and fun. At the end of the month, we're going to draw one lucky winner to win a free Hypersphere. We're looking forward to seeing everyone's kitchen and home-cooked meals. We'll also have some resources to give you guys some ideas on what type of ingredients to use to keep it nice and healthy, and that's it. So, everybody, let's get cooking!